Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters. Today I'm going to do a quick little review, recommendation, and some usage over the Eveo Screen Cleaner. So I'm a light tackle saltwater fishing guide here in Florida, and on my boat I have some pretty sensitive electronics, my Garmin GPS units and sonar units, my JL audio radio, you know, the Yamaha stuff, everything that's typically normal on a boat. You know, you got sonar, GPS, and all that kind of stuff. So the screens on these are touch screens, they're sensitive, and this product is designed for screens like that. It's safe to use. It's safe to use on your glasses. It's safe to use on your TV, your cell phone, but it's a really easy product to use. I like to just spray it on, you know, the products, the screens like that, and then just take the microfiber cloth here and just wipe it down, and look at that. It gives it a nice clean, really nice sheen to it. You gotta love that. You can use it on all the gear. I use it on my cell phone here. Just a little squirt. There's fingerprints all over it. I don't know if you can see it. I just like to clean it off. Oh man, I can see myself in it. I don't know if you can see myself in it there. But it's really nice to use. Clean the camera lens. Like I said, you can use this product on pretty much any kind of screen. It works great. I love it. I'm particularly using it on my sonar side imaging units that are very touch sensitive. You know, I don't want to just use any kind of chemicals on them, because I've had in the past where I've done that and the screen's gone bad and I've had to send it in to get it replaced or fixed. So again, it's the Eveo Screen Cleaner. Highly suggest you get you some. You're going to love it just as much as I do. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.